See, the cows are so short here. I love it here. When you're short,
Going too far.
the waterfall is up there. We finally made it. Last minute. We were almost late. Had to chase this guy the whole time. When you have short legs. I got little legs. Catch you guys when we reach there. Bye bye. Where's my shirt? So weird. Huh?
I'm feeling hungry and sleepy.
Obviously, I'm also hungry. And you're not willing to get up.
Eat biryani.
See, the cows are so short here. Oh my god.
All the cows are like, you know,
So short. I'm so hungry. I need rice. Mutton chicken.
let's go next time.
I don't want to come all this way just to eat pizza. Chili chicken and zero rice. Second trip. Yay, let's eat. So nice. I love it here. We need to go on more trips, and that too with our friends. And no? Let's go home. Let's get ready for dinner. Not gonna redo my makeup. Wash your face.
Oh.
Wash your face.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Much more cleaner. That one up. Guys.
Imagine the video. The people to get
Going down the road again. To get what?
to fall in challenging.
Who
During
stupid
night.
ass
During
will,
night.
will fall here? Unless you're so drunk.
That's what I'm saying.
Dance Cafe.
What?
Moon Dance Cafe. We're going here.
Always going in the incentive later. Till that from here.
Here.
Yeah. This time. Eat momos or try momos because I can see that most of the shops are closing.
Yeah.
Once in a while we can appreciate.
Ooh. What kind of coffee is this?
I really love you. You're the only one for me. You make me happy. You're the reason I can breathe. I really love you. You're the light in my life. You're always with me. You're the one who makes me smile.
What did we order apart from this?
Sorry. Dine भूल गया मैंने
कोई नहीं अरे कोई नहीं
tomato sauce like salt pepper
ओके थैंक यू
We ordered something else as well. This is chicken. I don't know.
So nice.
Sauce good, no? Hello. Oh. Chili sauce na?
ऑलिवर
Olive oil. Turn me once. Turn me once. When you're short, when your pen is long. It's gonna be one. Show your outfit. Show your outfit. Looks so good.
So cute.
18 plus if you're a kid. No. Breakfast, the American breakfast. That is what is this? This is this comes with mine, huh? And you ordered this boring thing. Oh my god. We're gonna go trekking. Came to change clothes.
Pajama. Not wearing pajama.
And looks nice there. This water to carry me peacefully and not kill me.
Came by bike, but then we couldn't have enjoyed the feeling.
Yeah.
Are you feeling dizzy?
No?
I'm feeling dizzy looking at this. Pause it for a moment. What? No, you look fine, bro. That's what I'm saying. I'm recording you to a certain angle. Just add background music in these videos, na? Like tudun tudun tudun. Going too far. What? Better not. Better not. You better not.
This guy is tired even though we don't even reach half yet.
Almost there. 12 minutes.
Almost here.
Hey.
It says 5 kilometers more. It feels like I'm climbing Juko Valley. And creepy. Where are all the people who were going before us? I wonder if there's a place to swim around here. Oh, see, zip line as well. Old zip line.
I think we have to go. We'll do it. We're so far away.
So what, baby? We already almost reached. Why are you trying to give up? Just follow me. If I can do it, you can do it. Dip myself. I wish I bought clothes. I'm sweating like an. Let's go down, I guess. And the waterfall is up there, so we're not going. And I'm not sure if we follow the right track or not. Let's go back down.
Let's go, it's raining. Let's go. It's raining.
So creepy. The road to the cafe, what the hell, is pointing up towards the mountain. We might get sick. Changing seat for the third time. Changing for the fourth time. He's angry at me. And I'm also angry with him.
What if that guy doesn't know that?
We went to 5-star hotel and he ordered fried rice. No, they're doing a show. Let's go back home. What is this? Come here. You can eat now. Let's take picture.
Like a high priest.
We are back to the first. Today the weather is so nice. I wish it was like this yesterday. Going shopping already. Everywhere it's returning to so many. Trying to waste time is so difficult. bought this. This is apple
Crumble.
crumble. That is banana cake from German bakery. Let's give a try.
Taking this for you?
No. Banana cake. It's good. Banana cake is good.
Get some help.
Just taste it. Just taste it. Just taste it. We have been waiting in this evergreen restaurant for our last dinner here, but oh my lord, let me not take
ये चिकन स्टेक सिजर